The 390 Duke went on sale in India and the Philippines in 2013, and in the US in 2015. The KTM 390 Duke is 373cc displacement, single-cylinder engine motorcycles assembled by Bajaj, Auto India, and KTM Asia. The new 2023 KTM 390 Duke base price is $5,900. The KTM 390 Duke is a pure example of what draws so many to the thrill of street motorcycling. Light as a feather, powerful and packed with state-of-the-art technology, it guarantees a thrilling ride. The KTM 390 Duke engine not only delivers arm-wrenching torque and hair-raising acceleration, but also good manners in everyday use, all with outstanding fuel economy. This lightweight, compact engine produces power of 32 kilowatts or 44 horsepower. A bike as compact and nimble as this one deserves to pack a solid punch. With impressive power and a dry weight of just 149 kilograms or 328.5 pounds. The KTM 390 Duke featuring slipper clutch that opens when the engine back torque becomes too high. It also assists when you open the throttle. While the ride-by-wire feature ensures perfect delivery of the readily available and gut-wrenching torque. The KTM 390 Duke's lightweight and precision-crafted exhaust system comprises of a side exhaust, link pipe, and silencer. The KTM 390 Duke comes as standard with ultra-lightweight, high-performance upside-down WP forks. And thanks to its progressive 150mm spring, the KTM 390 Duke will perform in any environment you can throw at it. The preload is adjustable, so you can count on well-balanced suspension whether you're riding solo or two up, with or without luggage, on road or on track. A high-tech Bybre braking system works in perfect harmony with the advanced dual-circuit Bosch ABS, providing riders with firm, controlled stopping power when they need it most. With a 320mm brake disc on the front, paired with a 230mm disc on the rear. The two-part seat offers first-class sport riding ergonomics with perfect support for both rider and pillion. A seat height of 820mm or 32.3 inch enables riders to have a super secure position, whilst also being high enough for ultimate cornering fun. The innovative and ergonomic 13.4-liter or 3.5-gallon steel fuel tank not only provides riders with perfect knee contact for attacking every corner, but also with an unbelievably long range, even when you ride as fast as you dare all day long. The KTM 390 Duke boasts an innovative multicolor TFT display, presenting all the data you need to go faster in a clear-cut, uncluttered way. High-tech, upright handlebars offer KTM 390 Duke riders a controlled, yet aggressive body position, allowing you to dominate in all aspects of riding. The clutch and brake lever are adjustable in order to match the needs of any rider's hand type. Different modes for the various built-in assistance systems can be selected using an illuminated menu switch on the left side of the handlebar. The aggressively styled LED headlight on the KTM 390 Duke is practical as well as looking ultra-mean. It produces outstanding visibility for riding in low light or dark conditions. Like and subscribe if you like this video.